Welcome to the fifth clue of the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge. By now, you should have collected 4 of the puzzle pieces. Your next piece is F-O-R. Keep an eye out for the remaining pieces as you continue on the scavenger hunt. You are now in the band classroom, where we offer many different instrument options for students to choose from, including flute, clarinet, saxophone, trumpet, trombone, percussion, and more. I am personally learning how to play the tuba. Just kidding, I am still working on the recorder. Here is your next clue. This classroom is a special place. A place where children learn and grow. The students here are very bright, and they each have a special glow. The walls are painted in bright colors, and the room is filled with toys and games. There is a cozy corner for reading books, and a sensory corner with lots of fun names. The teachers here are kind and patient, and they work with the students all day long to help them learn and grow and thrive, and to sing and dance and sing their song. So if you are looking for this special place, just follow this clue, and you will find it fast. It is a place where children are loved and valued, and where the future is bright at last. Remember, teamwork is key. Work together with your teammates to solve the clues, find your way to each location, and put together the final puzzle. Good luck, and have fun! See you at the next location.